Today, let's take a look at the production process in the tofu factory. First, dry yellow soybeans are cleaned and soaked until the soybeans become round and plump. Then, a specific proportion of water is mixed and put into the grinding machine. With the efficient operation of the grinding machine, the soybeans quickly turn into soy milk and soy residue. The soy milk is the main ingredient for making tofu. After high temperature boiling, it is then coagulated with brine. The ratio of brine is also key to the tofu's texture, whether it's soft or firm. After coagulation, the soy milk solidifies into a jelly-like consistency. About 10 minutes after the tofu curd sets, the machine will break it apart and pour it into molds lined with cheesecloth. The workers then cover the tofu with cheesecloth and a lid. The machine stacks the molds together and applies pressure to the top to squeeze out the excess water from the tofu curd. When the cheesecloth is opened again, a large block of smooth, tender tofu appears in front of us. Next, the workers place the entire block of tofu into water, where it is cut into square tofu blocks by the machine. The tofu blocks are then placed into our packaging boxes. Once packed, they are ready for shipment.